Hello, thank you for joining me today. This video is about Gigabyte Appcenter update. I received a notification that there is a new version. I have already installed the new version and now I'm going to check for any updates. I'm going to go to my taskbar in Windows 10, bottom left corner of the screen, and I'm going to type in app. The search should find Launch Appcenter, which most likely is at the top of the list. Left click on the Launch Appcenter. When you do that, this black window comes up and you will have the option to do a live update. We click on the live update button, it will check Gigabyte for an update, and we have 2 updates and 6 recommendations. I'm going to click on the plus button next to new drivers, and we have Intel Management Engine software for 600 series, and we also have INF update utility. I'm going to choose both of them for an update. I'm also going to left click on recommended installation. Generally, when I come here after a new Appcenter update, as you can see, by default, Norton Internet Security is checked. I do not wish to use this software. I don't want it on my system. And Gigabyte has decided to automatically install this software on your system. So you have to be careful. Recommended installations, always go to it and check to see what's selected. I'm going to deselect by unchecking Norton Internet Security. I'm going to go up, I'm going to scroll up, make sure that I'm not missing anything. We have another driver here. This one is recommended. I'm going to select it. The rest I'm not interested in, and I'm just going to confirm that I haven't missed anything. So everything looks good. Let me go back to update. We have this recommended, it's checked. These two are the updated drivers, they're selected. I'm going to go ahead and click install. It is going to download one at a time. That one is done. It's going to install it, download, and installation is complete. Then it's going to go to the next one. Once the second one is complete, it's going to go to the third one. So while I'm waiting for this, for these downloads and installations to process, there's the first one. After the download and installation of the INF update utility, the screens went black, they flashed a couple of times, and then they came back up. I did lose my video connection, so I don't have anything to show you, but I think you get the idea. What I need to do at this point is restart my computer and make sure that all the drivers and the files are configured correctly. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time.